Hey everyone, welcome back to Techiato. Today we're diving into a bit of nostalgia, the Samsung Galaxy S10. Released back in 2019, but here's the catch, we're reviewing it in 2025, so how does a 6-year-old phone hold up in the world of foldables, AI, and OMP cameras? Let's find out. First off, the design. Even today, the Galaxy S10 still looks stunning. That curved AMOLED display with almost no bezels, the punch-hole camera, it's clean, elegant, and honestly, still feels premium in hand. Unlike some newer phones, the S10 is light and slim, which many people still prefer. Now let's talk about performance. The S10 comes with a Snapdragon 855 or Exynos 9820, depending on the region. In 2025, it's obviously not going to match today's flagships, but surprisingly, it still handles basic tasks really well. Social media, YouTube, even some light gaming, all run fine. Just don't expect smooth performance in high-end games or heavy multitasking. What about the software? Well, Samsung officially stopped updates at Android 12 or 13, depending on your model. That means no One UI 6 or fancy AI features. But for people who just want a stable phone for calls, messages, browsing, and media, it works. And with custom ROMs, the community keeps it alive. Battery life is where it starts to show its
After
age.
some hours,
Most units have
then I was laying in the bed.
by now.
I
So
came
unless
back.
you've replaced it, you might struggle to
see
get through a
things
full day.
which are
But it supports fast charging
transformed.
and
It's a
even
different
wireless
view, a different
charging, which is
experience
still
of our
impressive.
existence.
Cameras, the triple camera setup still takes decent photos in good lighting. You get wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto. It won't beat today's to OMP beasts, but for casual users, it's more than enough. Now here's the best part, the price. In 2025, you can find the S10 for under $150. That's insane value for what it offers. So, is it worth buying in 2025? If you want a budget phone with a beautiful screen, decent performance, and solid build quality, absolutely. Just be aware of battery and software limitations. That's it for today's video. If you liked this retro tech review, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Techiato for more smart and simple tech content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.